Hello everybody, this is the Pound Trader making an analysis for Monday, the 22nd of July 2020. So guys, I've been a bit confused on the Pound USD if I'm being completely honest. But before I get into why I've been confused, we're starting over on the monthly time frame. Now, in my view, I honestly still think that we are going to be selling as much as price did sort of close above this. Okay, it hasn't closed yet because we still have 11 days till August. But there has been some bullish pressure around this level here. Now, if you've been watching my videos for a long time, then you know that this is the level that I had, the 61.8% fib. And I have honestly been thinking that we'll have a reaction around this level here so that price can push up and maybe continue this this channel, this wedge, yeah. But I don't know, there's been some pressure and I'm really hoping that this month's candle can just close below this level here so that we can continue with the sells, because this has honestly been a bit frustrating. Now going over to the weekly time frame, now let me get into why I've been confused. Let me just go over to the Euro USD quickly. Now we can see with the pound that we closed above here with some bullish pressure and we started making some bearish pressure as well, almost closed with a small pin bar candle here. But just before I continue, guys, look at the Euro USD. The Euro USD looks like it's been behaving. We can see that we still haven't crossed this trend line. And for those of you who don't know, I don't trade the Euro. I use it for correlation. So we can see that we still we're still inside the trend line, and we can see that we're still price is still below this level here. So I don't know why the pound has really been misbehaving. And even going to the dollar index just very quickly, we can see that even with the dollar index, this is the weekly time frame, we still didn't really close below that. We can see we have some bullish candle here. I'm still going to make an analysis on this, but you can see what I'm saying, like the levels on euro and the dollar have been respected, but on the pound, I don't know. If you are a fundamental news trader or you know more about fundamentals, I will really appreciate like any insight that you might have as to why the pound has been going up of late. But I'm still hopeful that we'll get those sells. So anyway, going over to the daily time frame, we can see here that we reacted along this level here. Price broke above this level that I had, and you can see I have like a reddish range here. Well, it's not a range, but just a level. So price started making some sells. I was able to get a retracement sell, but I'm honestly still hoping that price can just still continue pushing down. That is my hope and my plea. Okay, so I'm just going maybe to the 4-hour time frame so we can see clearly. For our time frame, so we were making higher highs and higher lows. We broke above this level that we can see here. Now on the 4-hour, what I'll be looking for, because I still think, oh wait, sorry, I'm just going over to the daily time frame again. If I just take my fib retracement level tool, I can see that we have the 61.8 and the 50 around this level over here. So I think that maybe price might come below this level, to this level here, and maybe hopefully break this trend line so that we can therefore confirm these sells that I've been waiting for since December 2023. So on the 4-hour time frame, I'd probably just like to wait for a retracement, a pullback, so that I can get those sells. If the sells do continue, maybe it breaks below this level here, then I'll still just wait and maybe see if I can get a retracement, because I'm an intraday trader. I like to look for trades on the 1-hour time frame. So yeah, maybe I can get like a small retracement and then look for sells. But overall, I am biased towards the sell sides. Going over to the 1-hour time frame, you can see this was Friday's low, and this was, Friday's low, Friday's high over here. So let me just change its color. And I also use these separators just to let me know what happened during the week. So now I can see that this is what happened during the week. And now on Monday, I'll hopefully be hoping for, let me just clear this. I'd like to hope for maybe another double bottom, maybe if I can get that, so that I can get a retracement, and then maybe now head for those sells. Now, this is the level that I'll be watching. So if I just take my fib again, we have the 50 and the 60% fib. And hopefully price comes to the trend line. But if not, if it does make like a small pullback, then I maybe might not be taking that buy, but I'll be watching out for those sells. Either way, I'm biased on the sell side. Whoa, this has been hard, but I'm biased on the sell side, guys. So last week I was able to get a trade over here. I didn't make a video because, as I said, when I'm confused, I'd rather stay out of the market. But maybe I'll start making videos even when I'm confused so that I can get insights from you guys. But yeah, I took this trade over here. It was a nice trade. It hit my TP. So this is the trade that I entered with this candle over here. It was a bearish candle, and I could see we made like a break. We broke up below this level here, price pushed up and then made another bearish candle here, and that was my signal to enter. So that is why I entered, and also because in the 4-hour we had a nice candle that also formed on this low over here, a nice bearish candle. So I really just hoped that it would retrace, and yeah, I did. So it hasn't been a good month or year, but I'm really hoping that now the pound can start, after it confirms the trend, I'm really hoping that the pound can just do something. For me who just trades the pound, it's been really hard. Okay, let's leave that alone. Let's just go to the dollar index just very quickly to see what's happening. So we can see that with the dollar on the weekly time frames, just let me start from there. Oh, I'm talking too much, guys, but yeah. So we can see I was a bit skeptical because I could see that it made like a higher low from this one. But when I saw that it reached this level again and started pushing up, I was like, maybe this trend line might still hold, and maybe we can start still getting some bullish pressure, because I still think that the dollar might be going up. But either way, I'll just stay tuned. As much as we broke below this on the daily time frame, I still think that we might continue pushing up, because the high time frames normally have better candles to confirm. So yeah, on the dollar, just be waiting maybe for a retracement on this side here as well. Just a retracement maybe to this level and then push up, and then we'll see what's happening. Oh gosh. There, yeah, so maybe something like that, and then we'll just see what happens from there. It's been so tiring, guys. I'd really appreciate your feedback on this video. So looking over at the Forex Factory just to see if there are any news. Not really much on, okay, Monday and Tuesday we don't have that much. I filter my news only to give me USD, Euro, and Pound. So you can see Monday and Tuesday we are clear. So maybe I'll come back with another video on Wednesday to just see what we have over here. And then, yeah, I'll just see what's going on with the pound. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it to here, please subscribe if you found this insightful. I will try being more consistent even when I'm not sure about what's going on in the markets, just to, share what I think. Thank you so much for watching my videos. And yeah, subscribe. Bye.